Take a look at this. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to all of your friends. Now let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so welcome to today's mini tutorial, and today I just want to quickly cover up something some people have been commenting on my tower defense videos. And it has to do with the data. Attempt to index null value. Alright, so that seems to happen when you play around with the data store. So let's say that you are inside of this place, then spend some time in this place, I don't know, maybe acquire new towers, acquire new amounts of gems, new amounts of cash, etc. And then once you go to the other map, to this new map right here, and do stuff there, then your data somehow gets corrupted, okay? And I just want to do something against that. So my intention was to show you how to transfer your towers you acquire from here to the other place. But we first of all should get rid of this issue right here. So for those purposes, I just want to print this I, means the name of our value, just to see what kinds of values are being saved. Okay, so these are the values which are being saved. Alright, now let's switch places to this one. Okay, so now let's do the same thing right here. Print I. Okay, so it does work. Alright. I've lost a tower because yesterday when I've recorded the video, I've had another tower right here. Okay, pretty funny. Now let's switch places again. Let's do the following, guys. So let's just play this one, and oh, there we go. Oh, it is about the leader stats. Oh, alright. But we usually have... Oh, we did not do that. Oh, okay, so that's the issue. So, I have created a leader stats in my previous video, my previous tower defense video, which is supposed to display the total amount of damage someone has dealt. And I forgot to add some kind of exception to the save system, means we do not want to save that leader stats value, and we need to create some kind of exception for that, and I forgot about it and tried to save the leader stats, and therefore has just caused issues, and we of course need to get rid of that. So in order to do that, go inside of this tower script, go to the save function, and now this is the place where it checks for whether the value we are currently at is a string value or an integer value. But on top of that, we just want to check if the value does not have the name leader stats. So the name refers to the value's name, and then this symbol equals leader stats, means is not equal to leader stats. So once our name is not equal to leader stats, it will continue with the code down below this, and that's the idea behind that. So that's how you add that exception, guys. And now we have just played this game right here. It has run into red arrow and has saved the other data right here. As you can see, it does not try to load the leader stats because it has already overwritten that data. And now back inside of this place, let's play it once more. just to see if it does save the leader stats, but it is not supposed to do that. Alright, let me even edit my leader stats value just to, well, just to clarify, it does not save the total amount of damage, it just loops through the player and checks for, well, integer values and string values. And since this leader stats value is an integer value, it tries to save that. It cannot notice that this value is not supposed to represent anything. It's just there to, well, accomplish this leader stats table right here. So adding a value called leader stats inside of your player will cause this leader stats table to appear, and that was my intention. I did not want to represent anything with that. The representation is done within the leader stats, because we have that total damage value inside, and that's the thing which is supposed to display something, which is supposed to represent something, and not the leader stats value itself. It's just there to, well, make this leader stats table inside of the player list possible. I hope that you understand the difference between these things, but this script is not able to, well, see the difference in there, and therefore we have made that exception. But enough with the talking, now let's get inside it, or let's move on with this place, and now let's test this again, and if everything goes well, there isn't supposed to be any error as it was previously. Okay, because we have added that exception as I've just explained, guys. And there we go, no error, nothing. And now let's move on with the main thing I wanted to do. So let's go inside of this inventory. Let's put this, well, not gear 4, I have too many gear 4s. Let's put this at tower 3, and let's put this on tower 4. Field possible on empty. Update list. Okay. Why is that? But it still does work. Well, tower 1, 2. Well, let's just never mind that error, because, oh, well, pretty, yeah, okay, where is it? There we go. Yeah, so it is actually trying to look for a tower frame inside of the replicated storage called empty, and it is not able to find it because it does not exist, obviously. So for those ones who have watched my previous videos regarding the tower inventory system, might probably understand what the issue right here is. So as I've just said, it looks for that tower frame called empty, but it does not exist because we do not want to have any representation for empty slots in our inventory. That's the reason why. Well, this error does or should not harm us in any way, because, well, it is just saying that there is an infinite yield possible, but, well, we do not care about it because it is not something essential, not something necessary, because we do not want to represent any empty slots, guys. Alright, so now it hopefully has saved. Let's just check if it has saved. There we go, our 4 towers. Now let's stop this thing. Let's switch places again, and if everything goes fine, we should have those 4 towers right there as well. And there we go, guys. There we go. As you can see, I'm able to place them. I'm able to, just normally play. And that's it, guys. So that's it with the video. Now let me just quickly explain you my theory on why it did not work earlier. Well, it probably had to do with the error you have just seen, which I've just fixed. It probably led to, data corruption. And maybe that was the issue, guys. So just let me know in the comment section if that error has been fixed, because as you can see, it obviously worked for me. So I was able to assign towers to these tower slots, and, well, then moving over to the new map game and just placing them there. So I was able to do that. And now just yeah, just leave me feedback in the comment section if the error has been fixed for you. If not, then I will, yeah, take a look at it again, but it should be fixed, guys. Alright, so that's it with the video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, turn on the notification bell, guys, and take care, and see you in the next video, which is going to be a One Piece video, by the way. See you guys.